Here in the southeast, we're dealing with some very summer-like conditions, hot and sticky. We have heat advisories to our north, and there will also be some thunderstorms that produce locally heavy rainfall. Yesterday, we made it to the 80s and 90s across the region. Hatteras, though, topping out at a record high of 91, and those temperatures were 7 degrees above average, but generally, most of us above average. Now, we do continue our heat advisories across the north. This is going to be in place today and tomorrow for those feels-like temperatures that could be well into the triple digits. And even though we don't have a heat advisories and excessive heat watches or warnings down to the south, it still will feel more like the triple digits in many spots here in the southeast. So do take it easy, especially if you have plans to be outside over the next few days. If you're on vacation, maybe you're taking in some of the 4th of July festivities. Just dial it back a little bit. It is hot out there. With all the heat and humidity in place, we do have some general thunderstorm risks today, tomorrow, and even into Thursday. So nothing really widespread in terms of severe weather, but there will be some heavy rain across the Gulf Coast states, especially from Mobile, Alabama to New Orleans and places out near Houston and Galveston. But again, there will be some showers and thunderstorms that develop elsewhere here in the southeast that could produce heavy rainfall, as I mentioned, and this takes us out through 7 p.m. Thursday. A couple of tenths of an inch closer to the Tennessee Valley, but as you head a little farther south, we're looking at maybe some widespread 1-inch tallies. And as I mentioned today, 80s and 90s with feels like temps around 100 or better.